Hello everyone, we're off to the Chatchai markets again. We've taken you here before and given you a look around, but today we're just going there to do our weekly fruit and veg shopping. And we've got to get some fabric as well, because if you recall the last time we were here, the fabric man was closed, so he's open today. But the main purpose is to get our fruit and veg for the week. Then the bonus is getting the fabric. We like to use the same fruit and veg vendor each time we come here. That way they know that we're a regular customer and that we buy from them on a regular basis, and you'll generally, once they get to know you, you'll get better prices. And this guy is just pretty good. There's no need for us to go anywhere else at this stage. So anyway, that's just how we do it.
$150.
No.
I'm just buying some fabric. This man has been in his shop for 60 years, and I remember when we used to come on holidays here, my mum and I used to buy fabric from him. I'm just thinking, would this sell? Should I get some more? I should get some more white.
Thank you. Do you want?
So what is this place called? Do we know?
Oh God.
What is that? Just stopped at a little restaurant near the Chatchai markets called, what we can see is just called fishball noodles. Very nice. It's very clean.
I got some pickled ginger.
About the professionalism with chopsticks, I have no idea really. It's good.
You've got your chopsticks around the right way.
Oh look.
Is that video? Video?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's Huey, Dewey and Louie sitting at the bus stop.
Three Stooges.
The Three Stooges, yeah.
So I said, don't sit in the bus stop,
And Muzz says, there won't be a bus come along. And look, there you go. There's a bus there, Muzz. So this is our little market haul from this morning. And these mandarins come from Australia. And I bought some cotton. And I bought some new fabrics for our Etsy shop, which is, of course, Robbie and Alexander. Look us up. We ship around the world. We got some more chili paste for Muzz. And these are chili something or others. Didn't cost much at all, really.
Okay, so I'll give you a very quick update on the cat tower. They completely destroyed it, as you've seen in previous videos. They completely wrecked it. But we've been able to salvage most of the parts, and it looks like a Dr. Seuss thing. It's just patched together. A bit of glue here and there, and that's it now. That's what we've got. But they still got their cupcake to sit in, and they can go up here, so it lives to fight another day.
That reinforcement there.
Yeah, reinforcement. That's just going in there to reinforce. And we'll just see. You see, they've tried it out.
Awesome.
Here he is, buddy.
1.7 kilometers.
We're off to
Turn
the
left.
post office. We got another box to send back to Australia. See how much this will cost. We usually lodge our parcels at the big post office, which is the actual mail sorting and delivery centre on the northern side of the town. Now, we go here because it is the biggest post office in town, and it's where all the sorting gets done, obviously. But also, there's plenty of parking there. It's a little bit tighter in the other post offices in the town, so we just make the short drive here. It's a lot more convenient for us because we've got some large parcels.
In 300 meters, turn left. Turn left. You've arrived at your destination.
Busy at the post office today.
Yeah.
Excellent, Muzzy. The box?
No, just that's.
Yeah. What are you two up to in 7-Eleven?
Plugs, chargers, that's it.
Very good. So I know it's not my non-stick pan, but I just made a banana cake with the bananas we grew and cut off the tree. So I hope it tastes good. Just going down to the immigration department, which isn't too far from here. Chris is sick and he needs to do his 90-day report. So anybody that's living in Thailand for any length of time, we have to report every 90 days our address where we're living. It's just one of those things. Zoe, what are you doing?
Well, that's just, what are you doing? You just can't do it. It's just unbelievable. Look at this. You can't be left alone for a second.
Look at the mess.
That's a brand new packet of tissues there. Yeah, you start eating it, it'll block you up.
And what have you bought now, Chris?
Well, Linda, I've bought something, but I think I've made a bit of a mistake. You see, I've been a bit poorly and with a sinus infection, so I think it's affected the brain somehow. But I bought some multivitamins online from Lazada because I needed them. You know, it's a bit hard for me to get out and get down to the pharmacy, so I bought them online. But you see, this is what happens when you're not when you're not thinking straight. These things here, they were only 56 baht a bottle, but there's only 7 tablets in there. So I ordered them, but I didn't take note of only 7 tablets. I thought they're terribly cheap, and we should get a couple of bottles of those. Little did I know there was only 7. That's why they were cheap. But I don't know, I've never seen multivitamins in a bottle that small before. Never seen it. I don't know whether you have. I certainly haven't. And I don't know why anyone would buy a bottle of multivitamin tablets where there's only 7 in there. Seems strange. But anyway, there we go. So that's another kind of silly purchase in Thailand, but an unintentional silly purchase. A total of 7 tablets of multivitamin per bottle.